Welcome to my travel channel. In this chapter, I'm unveiling the hidden stories beneath my daily life in the UK. Unlike typical travel channels, I aim to provide a genuine experience, showcasing not just places but the reality of being there. Immigrating to the UK is not for the indecisive. I can remember the initial challenge of finding accommodation, a crucial concern especially in the winter months. The struggle to get a place to stay are high for newcomers, since they do not have work history and may lack a home owner guarantor. Securing a two-bedroom apartment in Cardiff starts at nearly £1,000. That's excluding bills for water, electricity, gas, TV license, council tax, and if you own a car, more expenses. If you go through property listing and see the prices, the reality dawns that owning a piece of the kingdom comes with a hefty price tag, and to achieve this would be some sort of miracle. In the shared space we call home, the conversation shifts from the joy of companionship to the struggle of dividing the bills. The rent keeps climbing, creating a constant tension in the air as you strive to make ends meet. Navigating the grocery battlefield is another challenge, particularly for those still reliant on African cuisine like me. Food costs here are often 4 times higher than back home. Transportation costs rise as minimum wage increases, making daily commute a financial commitment and a reminder of economic challenges. Living in the UK requires meticulous budgeting, playing the role of an astute auditor and a close friend to your calculator. The question looms: are we working to live or living to work? Contrary to expectations, life struggles persist either you live in the UK or not. Bills don't cease, and like in your home country, working and saving are essential for financial milestones. In conclusion, my time in the UK has been a journey of challenges, resilience, and adaptation. From accommodation hurdles to the rising cost of bills, groceries, and transportation, every day feels like a delicate balancing act. And as an African migrant, the initial hope of an easier life gives way to the reality that bills don't take a break. Despite the financial complexities, my passion for exploring the world remains strong. It's a universal struggle to find balance between financial responsibilities and personal dreams. If you have connected with my journey, consider subscribing to my channels. Let's continue exploring the untold stories of life together. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Peace.